Good morning, you guys. I look a mess. So to jump straight into it, today is a quick get ready with me. I always think about, like, okay, if I'm recording, why not just record anything I do, which would make it easier for me to post videos and get out content to you guys. Today I'm going to a christening and it's at a church, so look at my hair, it looks a mess. So okay, so I'm doing something very like light. I went on a trip to Punta Cana and I got dark as fuck, and now like my chest, like you can't really see it because the sun is shining on me, but my chest is different from my face. I'm out of fucking where's my eyebrows going? I don't have any foundation really to match me right now, so I'm gonna have to go back to the store to get color corrected, but I have something to fix that, so just stay with me. All right, so first I'm gonna start off with my brows. I'm going in with the Precise Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics. It's definitely my favorite one. Definitely my favorite. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my brows first. Because I'm doing like a very natural look, I'm not gonna go into depth on my eyebrows, like do too much on them. It's just basically like filling them in like streaks. So I want the brow like very natural like that, because it'll just make it look, you know, real natural. All right, so I'm done with my brows. Like I said, I wanted them very simple, just a little filling, not too much. So that right there is enough for me. I'm not going to conceal my eyebrows because the point is for it to look very natural. And like I said, I don't really have anything to blend kind of right now with me. So now I'm going to take some makeup wipes from Neutrogena and I'm just going to wipe my face off. I really like the hydrating oils in these. It give you like a glowy look once you finish. You see? And once you fan yourself, that's all gonna like not be as shiny. So I'm going in with, I'm not putting on lashes today, which I could probably put on lashes to make them look natural, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to put mascara on because my lashes are kind of really long by themselves. So I'm going in with the Maybelline Total Temptation. And I'm going to make that really thick, like thick enough to where it looks like I have lashes on. quick story, y'all. I don't think I ever told y'all, but my camera is broke. So I am actually recording on my iPhone at the moment, taking it back to the roots where I started on the iPhone. But sooner or later, I will purchase a camera again. But so far, my iPhone has been doing like really good videos. My trip to Punta Cana, I recorded on my iPhone, so it's been doing and giving me justice. I always start underneath my eyelashes and then curl them after. I'm gonna go in with the Porous Professional Super Setting Spray, and even though I don't have any foundation on, I just want to set my face with this natural tone to give it like, the setting spray gives it like an extra fix. So next I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Up to 24-Hour Fresh Wear Setting Powder. That's the longest name I ever heard. And I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and put it underneath my eyes, because you don't want to be walking around with no bags, okay sis? The point is to make it look like you got makeup on, but you really don't. So you see, it really like blurred out my underneath. Now that I've put the this setting powder on my face, I'm gonna spray myself one more time. It really made a big difference. I ain't gonna lie, it made a big difference under my eyes. Okay, so the sun has gone away. Now it's time for me to finish myself up. I'm gonna highlight my face. It doesn't have a name. I lost it a long time ago. And I'm gonna take the Morphe M333 brush, and I'm just going to highlight the important parts. All right, so now that I've highlighted my face, I'm gonna spray myself one more time. And I'm gonna go back in with the mascara. You guys, I told you already that once you finish your mascara, you sit and you let it dry, then you go back over it again to give it a thick look. Now it's time to move on to my hair. Headband wigs have definitely been like very easy to put on and just go with the flow. So that's actually what I'm wearing today. I've been wearing it in the last 2-3 videos that I've been posting. If you guys have not checked that out, the card is up at the top. I think it's gonna be on this side or that side. So all I do is wet it. I have the water wave. I'm gonna have a more in-depth video on the headband wig soon, but I just wet it and I go in with the Garnier Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum, and I use that just to add some weight to the curls, because they'll dry out fast and kind of like be poofy, and I'm really not trying to go for the poofy look. I want to go for the more wet look, but like voluminous, luscious curls. So all you're doing is putting the foaming lotion Wrap and Shine on there, and that'll keep it looking a little wetter than normal, and it'll keep the curls unshrinked. So now I'm going to take the braid formula. It has aloe vera in it. It's really good. And I'm going to slick down my edges. So now I'm gonna take the wig, and the wig comes with Velcro straps. It has combs in the inside, so I'm just gonna slide that on now. I look crazy now, but hold on. We're going to fix it. So I like to have at least like about this much of my hair out, just to make it look realistic. And now I'm going to fix my edges. All right, and I'm gonna change the headband on it just because I don't like the headband. But now it's time to put earrings on. I still have to put lip gloss on as well. So I'm just going for some regular small hoops. And this is the look. Now it's time for me to switch into my clothes right quick. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I was gonna put a headband on, but I think I'm gonna just rock the black. I had a gold chain, a long one, but it gave me bodyguard vibes. So definitely have to take that off. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.